Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a tiny HTML page and adding JavaScript right away. Open your browser, press F12 to see the console and sources. Insert a script tag or link to app, JS, then write console. Log hello to confirm execution. Once done, save the file and refresh the page. The console shows output instantly. These steps establish the live feedback loop you need to iterate quickly, so make small changes and rerun them to build confidence before moving to DOM interactions. You now connect JavaScript to the page structure so interactivity works. Either wait for DOM content loaded or include your script at the end of body to access elements safely. Use document. Get element by ID or query selector to grab nodes, then add event listener to respond to clicks or input. When an event fires, change text content, toggle class list, or set attribute to update the UI. Make sure to test different states and use console. Log or breakpoints while stepping through. You finish by making the page robust and deployable. Run a local server so modules and fetch calls work predictably, then test in at least 2 browsers and mobile if relevant. Build with source maps and a linter to spot mistakes early and minify only for production. If things go wrong, check the console first. File path typos and cached scripts are common culprits. Clear cache, set breakpoints in sources, and reproduce the error step by step until you identify and fix the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.